Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay Channel. Today we will see unboxing of Dell optical mouse. The Dell optical mouse MS116. It features optical LED tracking and wired connectivity, providing a very good performance. Improves your productivity at the office or home. The Dell optical mouse will help keep you on task with accurate optical tracking. This features optical LED tracking. This is designed for comfortable use over extended period of time, and it is your desktop partner, shaped and sized to fit the contours of your hand with 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. It makes it easy to navigate through on-screen project also. The Dell optical mouse, it is compatible with almost any system that has USB port. This is a simply plug and play device. That is, as soon as you connect this USB port to the system, then it will automatically detect the USB mouse and it will be ready to use within a second. The Dell optical mouse is perfect choice for either home or office use, wherever reliability, comfort and convenience are objectives. With a contemporary design aesthetic, the Dell optical mouse MS116 seamlessly fits into any desktop environment. It contains a box which is written on this one, and also in the inside there is one more box, and it contains only one USB mouse with wired and has got USB port and a paperwork. So this has got USB port, that is USB 2.0 only, and of course it has got a very good optical tracking speed. This has got very comfortable design and it can be used wherever you want. The plain surface is only the requirement for this mouse. Although the price for this one is written as Rs 650, but I have purchased in a retail shop in Bangalore. It cost me around 275 rupees for me. Friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon and enable all notifications. Thank you.